Hi, I'm Dr. Khalid Hayat. Let's talk about heart murmurs. A heart murmur is a sound made by turbulent blood flow in or near your heart. Think of it like a whooshing or swishing noise during your heartbeat. There are various reasons for heart murmurs. They can be caused by valve abnormalities, congenital defects, or even conditions like anemia. Sometimes they're harmless, and at other times they might need attention. Symptoms can include shortness of breath, chest pain, or fatigue. If we suspect a heart murmur, we use tests like EKGs and echocardiograms to understand what's happening. Treatment depends on the cause. It might involve medications, procedures, or lifestyle changes. We work with you to find the best approach for your heart health. If you have concerns about your heart, visit cvgcares.com or call 770-962-0399 to schedule an appointment.